Hey everybody, CJ here from the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. Today we have another special video for you. We received another firewood accessory to try out, and that is the SawHaul. And what this is a better way to carry your chainsaw on either your tractor, your side-by-side, four-wheeler, truck, anything with a flat surface you can mount this thing onto. And today we're going to mount it onto the LS tractor, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I ordered anchors for the side-by-side because I have one for the side-by-side too. I need anchors for it. I didn't have any, so they're on order. I will do that in an upcoming video. So let's get started on mounting this to the tractor. Okay, so I got everything spread out here. Now this little U-bolt here you can use on your roll bar if you want to, and this bracket here would go with that. Okay, so moving on, we're going to be using these two bolts to mount the actual scabbard mounting bracket. That's what this is here. This is all metal. Also, I didn't mention yet, this is all made in the USA. Another reason I'm proud to try it out and use it. This U-bolt here, we're going to use this bracket on the tractor. I've already got my tools lined out. It comes with instructions. It comes in a box like this for the mounting bracket, and it comes in a bigger box for the rest of the parts and accessories. But the first thing I want to do, I want to attach this bracket to this mounting bracket, and then we'll be able to put this U-bolt around the arm and hook up into that. So I'm going to stick that through there, stick this one through there. Got these two nuts for it, and I'm going to use two washers. I'm trying to show you exactly what I'm doing here. Maybe if I tip this up, you can see it better. Yeah, sit in there like that. Let me get the washer on there and the nut. This will take a 9/16 stick in there to tighten it up. That's tight. There we go. And that's tight. So now that is ready to be mounted on the tractor. Pretty simple so far. So let's go ahead and put it on the tractor. Okay, since we got this flat bar mounting plate attached to the actual bracket for the SawHaul scabbard, all we gotta do now is take this U-bolt and put it around the lift arm of the tractor, and then put this through this bracket. Make sure your U-bolt is flat against the back side, and then we'll level this up as we tighten up. Okay, so shaking that is nice and sturdy. Now all you gotta do is put the scabbard in there. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, we just picked up a load of wood and took the SawHaul for a spin on the tractor, and I have to say I am very pleased with it. And if you notice in the video, you can see that, yeah, it moves around a little bit, but it's designed to do that. It's designed to give just a little bit. It's my honest opinion. I'm very pleased with it because before I was throwing my chainsaw in either my front end loader bucket on the tractor or in the bed of my side-by-side. And I couldn't see it either time, you know, it was either behind me or in front of me. But now it's right there beside me, I can see it. and it's up off the wet snowy ground, and there's a lot less chance of me backing over and smashing it. I also like the fact this is another American made product, family owned, family operated. Every scenario is going to be different. Your lifting on your tractor might be different than mine. You might want to mount it on the roll bar. You can do that too if you need to. Like I said before, I'm waiting on the anchor bolts for my side-by-side. That'll be in an upcoming video. I thought installing it on the tractor was simple. Installing it on the side-by-side is even going to be easier. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again, Kenny, for sending this to me to try it out. I really like it. I like how it looks. I like how it rides going down the road on the tractor. I like that I can see it all the time. This is a good product right here. I hope you like these videos, and I hope they're helpful to you. I'm not a salesman. I'm sent these products to give an honest review, and my honest review is I like this a lot. If you can take care of a piece of equipment, I like doing that. I like to take care of my stuff. You wouldn't know that from how dirty my side-by-side and tractor are right now, but that's just because it's a muddy mess out here. But yes, to be able to keep your chainsaw off the ground, dry, and keep you from running over it, this is a good product to have. So if you're interested, I'm going to post the link down in the description to their website, then you can check them out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.